Do you think that the only way to win your exes back is by begging and pleading with them or another chance? If so, believe it or not, the truth is that the ball does not have to be in your ex court. In fact, there is a way to turn the tables and make it the decision to give up the relationship and the try. This may sound impossible, but it's simply a matter of the shifting power. Hello, my name is Amit, and today I'm going to talk to you about the reversing role to get your ex to chase after you. First and foremost, you need to realize exactly what is you are trying to do here. At this time of the breakup, your ex was in complete control. They were the one who made the decision to break up and you were left feel powerless. So much so that at the time you would have done anything to convince them to give your relationship another try. But now, since the breakup is still very much a real thing and your ex has not come crawling back, it's a time for you to put yourself in a position of the power. To do this, you are going to need to accomplish three things. You are going to turn the tables, you are going to remove your ex safety net, and you are going to make them chase you. So let's get started by talking about the step one, the disappearing act. To put it simply, in order to turn the tables, you no longer need them in your life. The way to do this is to cut off all communication with them for about the 30 days. The disappearing act, which is also commonly referred as the no contact period, will not only surprise your ex, so it will also make them miss you. Since they expect you to running back to them, doing the opposite of this will make them confused and insecure. Rather than begging your ex for a second chance, the message you are sending is loud and clear. You don't need them, you are strong and you are okay with finding someone new. Don't panic, this does not have to how you actually feel. It's just important your ex think this is the case. The more time that passes without the communication, the harder it will be for your ex to fight the feeling for longing and nostalgia. Since you have not been in a contact, all the negative memories that caused you to break up in the first place will be replaced with the pleasant memories, and this will cause your ex to question the breakup. Step number 2, remove their safety net. Depending on how you and your ex broke up, they may told you that they want to stay friends. This gesture may have seemed like a good intention, but the real reason for your ex wanting is simple. They wanted to keep you around as a plan B in case they later decide to take you back, because the single life was not quite as glamorous as the hoped. This is something you can't allow. In order to shift the balance of the power into your favor, you need to indicate to your ex that they choose between being in a romantic relationship with you or not having you in their life at all. By agreeing to be the friend or remaining in the contact with your ex, you are basically just agreeing to be their safety net, and you are allowing them to slowly adjust to the life without you by their side. If your ex tries to contact you, and they probably will at some point during this phase, this gives you the opportunity to show them that you are calling the shots now. Although you have been cut off the communication with your ex when they are calling, it's important to be calm, cool and collected. Be sure to keep the conversation short and be one of that to end the call. Doing this will show your ex you are moving on, and best yet, when they see you are unfazed by the thoughts of life without them, they will realize that breaking up with you was a big mistake. Again, it's all about making sure your ex knows that you are moving on to a bigger and better thing, unless they wake up and decide to take you back. And remember, if you have any question about this video, then please feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. And on to step number 3, which is simply to wait for your ex to begin the chasing after you. As I just mentioned, by employing step 1 and 2 properly, you are showing your ex that you are fine without them and you won't be their plan B. The more time that passes, the more desperate your ex is going to become. As a fear of losing you grows, they will step their attempts to spend time with you and talk with you. Once your ex begins showing more interest in you, remember that you should jump the gun. Don't be too eager to talk about your relationship again. Don't tell them that you have missed them, and don't tell them that you want them back. Remember, you are still trying to hold to the power you have just gained. Don't let go. That's not to state that you being declined if your ex asks to hang out with you again. After that all, that's an important next step towards winning them back. But don't seem too excited and go ahead of yourself and give back all the power to your ex right away. Take it slow and apply the techniques I have been outlined in my video. Anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you have been enjoying watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Thank you.